Hi everyone, this is another video tutorial from ucsmathscat.com. Today we're going to learn how to multiply decimal numbers using the column method. First of all, let's say we had something like 2.1 and we want to multiply this by 2.3. The first thing you need to realize whenever you have decimals is that you can remove the decimal point and consider it as a whole number. So step 1, remove the decimal point. So in our case it becomes 21 times 23. Step 2, use the column method to figure out how much 21 times 23 is equal to. So let's go ahead and do that. So 21 times 23. We're going to do 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. When you move to the tens, we put a 0. And then we're going to multiply the 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. And the 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Once you've worked out your multiplication, we're going to add the two answers. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And 4 plus nothing is just 4. Once you get your answer, which is 483, we're going to go back and write down our answer as 2.1 times 2.3 is 483 there. But as a final step, we're going to look at our two numbers that we started off with. In our case, we had 2.1, and you can see that there's one digit after the decimal point for the first number. And we can see that there's another digit after the decimal point for the second number. So altogether, we have 2 digits. We're going to use this information to write down our final answer. And the way we're going to do it is very simple. I want you to position yourself right at the back of the number, and because we have 2 digits, then we're going to move the decimal point by 2, and the decimal point is going to come right here. So the final answer is 4.83. Right, now you guys try one question yourself. Why don't you try 6.3 times 2.4 and see if you can come up with the answer. And all you have to do is just leave it in the comment box, and I'll tell you if you got it right. Or alternatively, you can just check on a calculator and see if it's correct. I hope that helps, and I'll see you soon in another video tutorial. So see you soon. Bye.